Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charissa. I know I've been out for quite some time again, but I promise you guys I'm going to be a little more consistent. But we're back in the game. That's what it matters. I know I said that last month, but on today's video we are going to be talking about another Boxycharm. We are going to be unboxing this one, but I'm just a little confused because this is supposed to be my June Luxe Box and it comes in a little smaller. This used to be the size of the base box. So if all you guys does not know what a Boxycharm is a makeup subscription. They do have the base box, the premium box, and the Luxe Box. This one is the Luxe Box. Luxe Box is only 3 times a month, like this month, June. So once you receive, if it's the month of Luxe Box, we're not gonna receive our base box. So let's just go ahead and unbox this, guys, because I'm pretty excited about this one. So every month they do have a theme, and for the month of June we have the Dare to Dazzle. So yes, this is my Luxe Box. It's like the box is really small. So our first product for this month, I do see this Moxielash. Oh, the bag is so cute. As far as I can remember, this is one of my choice. I like this little purse right here. It's gonna be like a cute makeup bag. So it comes right here. Let me get my handy dandy little scissors right here. I finally got one. So it's kind of like a little subtle lash compared to what I like to use, but we're gonna check this out. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna do like a makeup try on. So it comes with that lash, and this one is a pre-moist olive and castor oil cotton swab. What is this for? Oh, to remove it. Like I just yanked mine out. So this guy right here retails for $90. Like, what the heck? I usually just get, it's either Ardell lashes, which is like $5, or this one that I'm wearing right now. I did get it from Target, which is like 3 packs for like $9. So I don't really buy this kind of expensive lashes, if you know what I mean. I'm a mom. And it also, hold on, it also comes in with this mini liquid magnetic eyeliner. Oh, so this is a magnetic one. That's why it's a little pricey. So we're gonna check it out and we're gonna put it to test. I haven't even really dabbled in any of those magnetic liners because I just kind of like, you know, the idea of putting something that is like kind of like magnetic near your eyeball. So I'm kind of not into that. So our next product right here, oh, I picked this one. Is the Narsh Blush. I just hope I like the shade. Is this the Orgasm? Oh, this is the Orgasm. This is the kind of like mini version. I have the big one, so it's kind of like half the size, if you know what I mean. I love this blush. This is actually the blush that I am using today. Yeah, I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm just gonna like finish up with my other one. So I did get one in the Sephora when they do have that jumbo one. I think that was last year on, what do you call this, on their one of their annual sale, one of the BIB sale. So if you do get this one retails for $30. So I forgot how much I paid for the jumbo one, but this one retails for $30. I know I picked something with the glasses, but I don't see it right here. So, and this one right here is a Hardboard Sandstone Hair Revived Elixir. So this is something for our hair. And where are you? So this guy retails for $30. It's 45 nourish and revive dull damaged hair using superfoods, seaweed, and coconut. So it looks kind of bougie. So it comes in like this. Let me see. And it's like an oil. Let's do like 2 drops, probably 3 drops. It has that really nice scent to it. Put some little bit because I already fixed my hair. I don't want it to be like super oily, just a little bit alive. And let me see in my mirror. So that will be good. Do we use this before or after do we heat our hair? Hold on. It says smooth 5 to 15 generous drops over hair ends and strands. Keep in for as long as you need for at least 10 minutes. My bad. You do need to put this before you wash your hair and you're already like super ready to go to work. But whatever. I'll stay in my hair. So remember guys, read the label, read the direction before you actually try the product. So you do put this on your hair before you shower. And this guy right here retails for, what the heck did I do that? Retails for $30. So that is our third item. Oh, it's okay. It is what it is. Our fourth part, it's like this brand is like expensive. If you go on the Sephora website, all of this product right here, all of the line in this product is really expensive. This is the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. So where's the direction? So basically this one retails for $64. So it's basically just a face cream. Let's smell it out. It does not have a scent to it, but it's actually really nice feels on the skin. Ooh la la. So this guy right here retails for $64. I told you guys, with this little bad boy right here, this is 1.7 ounce and it's already 60 bucks. So I always see this brand in Sephora. They're kind of pricey. Yes, I know. I don't like it. And I have this, I have tried a couple of the products by this brand right here. This is the Avant Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. So, you know, when your lips is dry, you just put this sucker in. Let's read the direction before we double do. So it says apply a generous amount of serum onto the back of your clean hand using the doe foot applicator. With clean hands, gently smooth on your lips. So this is like a hyaluronic serum for our lips. You know, it's not just our face that needs that extra moisture, also our lips. Always remember, especially if you guys use a lot of the liquid lips, it tend to dry your lips more than the regular lipstick. And our next product would be, this is the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. Ooh, you know what? I was at the Ulta the other day and I was meaning to try get a cleansing butter, but you know me, it's like I go in the store and wanted to buy this, and that's the thing that I'm going to forget. So if you want to see another haul regarding like a Ulta haul, put a comment down below, because I kind of like, I don't need to, but I'm trying to get like more products to try out and test it out. So if you want me to try a certain product, just leave it in a comment down below. I will definitely use this tonight because I ran out on my other one. So this guy right here retails for $38. It melts away your makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh, and glowy. Because when I'm washing, because I always put a heavy you know, I always pack on a lot of makeup, and I don't like using a makeup wipes, you know, rubbing it in and rubbing it in. I rather use this kind of stuff because it's just like so easy and not that harsh on your face. So let's just take a little smell brew. Ooh, it's actually, it leaked already. I'm like, oh well, whatever. It has that, it has an okay smell. I don't really prefer that smell. So, and another product is, this is, I like this one. This is the Brow Styler, soft and full, clean and shape, bold and defined. This is by Benefit for the eyebrows, and this guy retails for $34. As far as you guys know, I have been using and I have been loving the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade 3.75. That's what I'm using right now, and I'm excited to try this one out. I just hope that this is my shade. And the last product that we have is, this is, what is this? Collagen gel pads for the eyes. So I'm also going to try this one out tonight, and I will let you guys know how I feel about this. So maybe I'll put a video, we'll see, because this one says it's anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, and reduces dark circle. I don't really get that dark circle. I do get eye bags because you know this girl does not sleep early. So let's total up how much did we have for our June Luxe Box. So for the Elemis that we have, that is $38. For the Nars Blush, it's $30. For the Eyebrow Benefit, it's $34. Oh, I did not tell you guys the price of this, but as we calculate, this guy right here retails for $122. Damn. And the Earth Harbor oils is $30 and $90 for the lashes, $30 for that Earth Harbor Naturals for the hair, and collagen pads is $32. So we do have a total value of $440 for our Luxe Box. I think that is a pretty high value for this month's Luxe Box. So I'm pretty happy with it. The only thing that I don't like is probably nothing. I think I like every product that I did receive this month. So if you guys are interested on signing up on the Boxycharm, I will link it in the description down below, and there's also gonna be a code for you guys to use, so feel free to use it. It's gonna be in the description. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and I promise I will be more consistent. And there you go. Thank you. Bye.